Ever wondered where University of Pennsylvania graduates end up working? Well, you're about to find out. The University of Pennsylvania, fondly known as Penn, is a breeding ground for talent, producing graduates who are not only knowledgeable, but also highly adaptable in various sectors. Contrary to popular belief, Penn doesn't emphasize traditional placement services like many professional schools. Instead, it encourages its graduates to chart their own course, leading them to pursue a wide array of careers, from finance to consulting, technology to healthcare, law to academia, public service to arts. The list is as diverse as it is long. In the world of finance, consulting, and business, Penn holds a strong reputation, largely thanks to the Wharton School. Regarded as one of the top business schools globally, Wharton equips its graduates with the skills to excel in these fields, often leading to positions in top-tier employers like leading financial institutions and consulting firms. But Penn's influence isn't limited to traditional industries. It's also a hub for entrepreneurship and innovation. Graduates have made their mark in the tech industry, founded successful startups, and are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. The pursuit of knowledge doesn't stop at graduation for many Penn alumni. A significant number continue their education journey, enrolling in master's and doctoral programs at top-tier institutions around the globe. Others choose to contribute to the world of academia, leveraging their research skills in prestigious universities and research institutions. Penn graduates also make a significant impact on the global stage. They work in international organizations, NGOs, and global companies, often using their skills to address global challenges. Public service is another common path, with many graduates dedicating their careers to government, policy analysis, nonprofit organizations, and international development. This is a testament to Penn's commitment to instilling a sense of duty and public service in its students. In the realm of arts and culture, Penn graduates are making their mark. They contribute to the cultural landscape through careers in writing, journalism, media, filmmaking, and various creative industries. The secret sauce in many of these success stories is Penn's extensive alumni network. This network provides a platform for mentorship, collaboration, and networking, often paving the way for career advancement. To sum it up, the University of Pennsylvania does more than just educate. It prepares its graduates for success in a variety of professional settings. It offers a well-rounded education, encourages interdisciplinary collaboration, and instills a lifelong thirst for knowledge. So whether you're a Penn student wondering about your future path or just curious about where Penn graduates end up, remember this: the possibilities are endless. With Penn's reputation, robust alumni network, and a strong emphasis on individual initiative, the world truly is their oyster. And that's what makes the University of Pennsylvania a beacon of excellence in higher education.